Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, before we will enter the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So after making sure, just enter the Play Store, and of course you will have to sign in if you're not currently logged. So after that, all you have to do is to simply tap on this circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all currently installed apps. I've got 53, and in order to check the updates, we have to tap on Updates Available. And in my case, I've got 23. So of course, if you want to, you can update all of those apps. If not, just find them in this list and mark them just like that. So let me pick the Gmail and Google also. And after making sure that you've marked the apps which you'd like to update, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and apps will be automatically updated. You do not really need to do anything more. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Samsung Galaxy S22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.